What's up everyone? Thanks for tuning in to the MEATER channel. I'm going to give you a breakdown of the range for each of our main products: the original MEATER, MEATER Plus, and MEATER Block. With original MEATER, the Pro Bluetooth pairs directly to your phone, giving you a range of up to 33 feet or 10 meters depending on your surroundings and even your cooker. For example, some smokers have really thick walls and can limit your Bluetooth range. When you're cooking, you want to leave your phone close to the oven or your grill to maintain the Bluetooth connection to the probe. If you need extra range, you can use the MEATER Link feature to get onto Wi-Fi. Then you can monitor the same cook on any phone or tablet that's on the same Wi-Fi network. MEATER Plus has a built-in Bluetooth repeater, giving you boosted Bluetooth range. The probe Bluetooth pairs to the charger, so leave your charger close to the oven. Now, your phone pairs to the charger in an open-air environment. Again, the range varies depending on your surroundings, which is affected by the number of walls or obstacles between your phone and your charger. If you're grilling or smoking, make sure to leave the charger next to the cooker where it's not too hot, but close enough to keep Bluetooth paired to the probe. Like OG MEATER, you can use MEATER Link to get on Wi-Fi and boost your range. Just make sure that this setup is within the range of your network. With MEATER Block, you don't need an additional phone or tablet because it has built-in Wi-Fi. Just leave the block close to your cooker to keep the Bluetooth connection to the probes, and make sure that the block is also within your Wi-Fi network range. If you're logged into your MEATER Cloud account, then you can monitor the cook virtually anywhere, even if your phone is outside of your Wi-Fi network's range, as long as it has internet. For more tips, recipes, and fun videos, subscribe to our channel, follow our social, and check out MEATER.com. Happy fooding!